Hello guys, and welcome to today's project of making baby pineapple curd. The ingredient list is in the description. Don't just settle for regular adult pineapples. Be brutal and use the babies. This flavorful tropical curd is great paired with toast, cupcakes, muffins, brioche, or even on top of your pancakes. It's creamy, smooth, with a kick of pineapple richness. You must try this out if you enjoy pineapple. First, you will need some baby pineapples. They are rather tiny. The body is about the size of my fist. This is packed with flavor. My local shop sold these, so I was rather lucky. They cost more than regular big pineapples, but I had to try this. So I went and got a few. Now let's deal with the pineapples. Twist the top and pull it off. Just have a smell of that. It smells incredible. This little pineapple was like a grenade. Such a blast of freshness. Trim the top and bottoms. Take the skin away. Don't worry about the eyes too much. This little guy is very ripe. If only you were here with me to try this. I'm using a slow juicer to really press out the juice. Since it is so small, I want to really take out all the juice. You can use a blender or a food processor if you don't have a slow juicer. In it goes, and immediately the juice starts coming out. Let's have a taste. Here we go, freshly squeezed baby pineapple juice. If I wasn't making baby pineapple curd today, I would make a pina colada. Actually, that is not a bad idea. Maybe I would make a pina colada curd one day. Anyway, back to the project. What I'm going to do now is strain the juice. I want to fully get rid of all the fibers. I will be using a sieve and some kitchen cloths. Put 2 or 3 layers to really catch all the bits. Pour the juice in and let that drain. After the draining process, squeeze the cloth. This is what we were able to keep away from the juice. What we will need is 500 grams of pure fresh baby pineapple juice. Pour that into a small pot and bring the pot over to the stove. Turn on the heat to medium to high. Boil the mixture until it is reduced by half. It took me about 15 minutes of boiling down. After some time, just check the amount. If you haven't reached half, just boil for a little longer. There we go, 250 grams. Also, have a look at the color. Reducing it by half made it richer in flavor and gave it that nice rich color as well. Next, I will be using some pectin powder to thicken the curd. Pectin is a naturally thickening agent from fruit, found most especially high in citrus fruits like lemons, oranges, and other fruits like apples. A link for where I got this is in the description. Measure out 2 grams of pectin powder. Then measure out 85 grams of caster sugar. Take out some sugar to mix in with your pectin powder. Mixing the pectin powder and sugar prevents the powder from clumping up later on. Set those two aside for now. Next, take a medium bowl and pour in 110 grams of whole eggs. And then 100 grams of egg yolks. Then pour in just only the sugar from just now. Give that a good mix. After that, pour in the reduced pineapple juice into the egg and sugar mixture. Whisk it well, and then pour it into a medium pot. Bring the pot over to the stove and turn on the heat to medium to low. We do not want the mixture to boil. Also, Keep the mixture moving so that the bottom doesn't burn. In the meantime, pour in the pectin and sugar mixture. Pour it in slowly while whisking. Later on, I changed to a rubber spatula. Using a rubber spatula helps to scrape the bottom to prevent anything from sticking and burning. We are looking for a temperature of 82 degrees Celsius minimum. Once it has reached 82 degrees Celsius, take it off from the heat and pour it into a bowl. Just measure the temperature for a point of reference. It is right now at about 60 degrees, which is a good temperature for the next step. Next, measure out 150 grams of cold cubed butter. Toss a couple of pieces in. Whisk well. Keep going with this process until all of the butter is gone. Once all of the butter has been mixed in, just to be extra, I'm going to sieve the mixture. This is just in case. After all, I want it to be super smooth. Now you can test the consistency with a spoon. Draw a line, and if there is a line, it will be good later on. I'm going to have this now. Let me just tell you, this is already fantastic. I now have to wait for it to set. Pour the mixture into a container. Place some cling film over the top. This prevents the skin from forming on the surface. Place it in the fridge to set overnight. In the meantime, while waiting, do check out my other curd recipes on my channel. A link for this is on the top right corner. The next day, yes, you have to wait, just like how I had to wait. Take it out from the fridge, peel back the cling film, and just look at that spread. So easy. I have a brioche roll here. This is going to be my breakfast. Spread a generous amount, and I mean generous. Have a bite. It is so good. It is making me smile while I eat. I can't argue with this. It's creamy, smooth, rich, and full of pineapple flavor. The consistency just melts in your mouth. Well, not your mouth, but in my mouth. Anyway, go and make this. First, you will need to find some baby pineapples, and then you can make this. I promise you it's worth the effort. Well, there you have it, baby pineapple curd. If you truly want a better breakfast, try this. As usual, it was a pleasure having you with us on this journey today. If you enjoyed what you watch, please leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to be notified of upcoming videos. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and we shall see you in the next one. Bye for now.